Now, to open Magic Key, you can use this command here. In my case, I have Option M. I'm already logged in. These are 2 prompts that I discovered on snackprompt.com, automatically saved into my Magic Key. I'm gonna assign a hotkey to this prompt, coffee shop menu creator. All right, so I'm gonna set my command as Option U. Hit enter, now it's saved. Now I'm right here in ChatGPT. I'm gonna make sure that my cursor is not selected in this text area. I'm gonna hit Option U, and just like that, a prompt that I use every single day pops up. I can type in my variable here. In this case, I'm gonna type in winter. It filled in, as you can see here, it filled in that variable. I hit enter, and now it's creating me a winter menu for my coffee shop. I didn't have to store it in a document or a Notion workspace. It's right here overlaid on top of ChatGPT. It also works with Bard and just about every other LLM. Now, that's just the basic use of Magic Key. It gets even better. Now, if I'm just using ChatGPT and I create an input right here on the spot, and I absolutely love the output that ChatGPT gives me, and I think to myself, you know what? I want to use this prompt over and over again. I can save this input in seconds directly inside my Magic plugin. I can do it one of 2 ways. I can click Save Prompt, and just like that, hey, create a viral Twitter post for my coffee shop focused on recent events. I'm gonna give it a topic. In this case, I'm gonna select marketing, and I'm going to hit Saved. Just like that, I was able to turn an input into a prompt in seconds. Or I can use the command Option S. By hitting this command, I can save my most recent input into a prompt, just like that. Now, when I create a prompt or when I save a prompt, it automatically sets a command for me. I can change that command, or I can just leave it. Hey, create a viral post for my coffee shop. It set a command for Option +1. If I want to use it, I click Option 1, and just like that, it opens up in my screen. Now you know how to turn an input into a prompt. You know how to open up Magic Keys by using this command or by clicking this button. You know various ways to create a prompt. You can also create it by simply going on here, create new prompt. You type your prompt, hey, encourage me today. Hey, encourage me today and tell me a funny joke about, and I'm gonna put a hashtag to create a tag or a placeholder. And here I'm going to put joke topic. And when I do that, I make this prompt dynamic. It now has a tag or a placeholder, which means every time that I use this prompt, I get to decide the topic of my joke. I'm gonna save it to potentially, let's just save it to gaming. We're gonna hit save, and it's saved. Now, something really awesome is that these prompts are saved directly to your Snack Prompt platform as well. I can go to option and I can see the prompt on Snack Prompt. If I want to turn this into a premium prompt, I can simply go to edit. I can move it from private to public, and I can add a description, add a title. I can add an avatar and a banner directly on here. And everything that I do on snackprompt.com or on Magic directly reflects in real time inside both platforms. Again, every prompt that you create inside of Magic, it's saved privately to your profile, so no one else can see it but you.